or less. That's how fast McDonald's says they can get your order ready between the payment window and the pickup window. And if they don't make that time, you'll get an apology and a free sandwich coupon. It's happening today and every day until July 31st between 11:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. So during that busy lunch hour, customers will be offered a 1-minute sand timer at the payment window. So you hold that sand timer, and
oh my gosh,
if it takes them more than 60 seconds, you'll get a free.
It like, okay. And I need a little more than an apology, so I was glad we got the coupon out of that too, you know.
Well, got to give it a shot between now and July 31st.
It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Great. You know, it's interesting. The sand timer. Do we get to keep that?
I think you got to hand it back.
Oh, well, okay.
Well, we're getting some nice weather here today.
Really are.
If we're going to be outdoors.
I hope a lot of people's pools are open because what a great day to go to the pool, huh? I mean, it's beautiful outside. Now, what I can tell you is we're still experiencing some very mild cloud cover, and you'll see that in our HD tower cam here. In fact, let's take you out to that right now. Now, again, our HD tower cam over Charlotte, some very mild cloud cover. It's a little more humid than it was yesterday, but you're really not going to feel that in the air because right now we are at 76 degrees. Winds very calm at 7 miles per hour from the southwest there, but again, a lot of sunshine. Dew point at 60 degrees, humidity at 58%, so again, a little higher, but our pressure right now sitting at 30.24. Now, let's get you some neighborhood temperatures. Again, most of us in the 80s or very close to the 80s, so obviously this afternoon going to get even hotter. Right now, Mount Holly and Highland Creek, you're at 81. University City, you're at 80, but Pineville and Matthews, again, just in the 70s. That will increase as the afternoon progresses. Right now, do you want to show you what you can expect all around North Carolina? Let's start with the high country. Boone, you're already at 75. Now, as we move down into Hickory, they're at 75 as well. So same temperatures there, but Charlotte, you're at 76 right now. Rock Hill, 77, and Lancaster already at 81 down in South Carolina. So a very warm day. That being said, let's get you your pollen forecast. Now, check this out. Still pretty moderate there. Grass pollen is our biggest issue right now. Last week it was the trees, but right now it's that grass that's really getting people with those allergies. So as we move forward, do want to get you these forecast highs. This is what you can expect around 4 p.m. this afternoon. I hope your pool is open again because you're just going to be there in the 80s. A lot of the mid-80s. Statesville, you're at 85 degrees. Charlotte, we're going to hit 85 as well, as will Chester down in South Carolina. So very, very warm. But this is what's going on in the mountains. A chance for some very, very spotty showers. You can see that cloud cover, and again, just some spotty showers possibly going to take place. But as we zoom out here, here's what's going on. Now, 2 weeks ago, we had this same problem. Remember when that rain would not stop. But as we look to the north here, this moving in from the west into the northeast, these rainstorms, that rain really going to continue there, but not really affecting the Carolinas at all. We're looking pretty clear. And I'm going to give you an example of that here in your Futurecast. Now, this is what we can expect tonight by 7. Again, just that chance of spotty showers over the mountains, but Charlotte looking pretty clear overall. As we move you into tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., this cloud cover really pushing up from the south. No rain in the picture, though, but as we move you into tomorrow afternoon, you can see showers really all around us here, but still not affecting Charlotte. Still pretty prevalent in the mountains, but I don't expect anything too heavy. As we move into Thursday around 4 p.m., you see those showers continue to move down, really surrounding this area. But again, Charlotte's still looking pretty good. It'll be a good day to go to the pool, but do you want to get you your sunrise and sunset for Wednesday? Your sun will rise at 6:11 in the morning. It will set at 8:31 that night. Your average high 82 and your average low is 60 degrees. But let's get you your 7-day forecast so you can really see how the sunshine is going to impact the rest of your week. Now, again, today we are sitting at 85 degrees, just gorgeous outside. Tomorrow we do move up to 86, still gorgeous into Thursday where we stay at 86. But Friday and Saturday are when storms could be possible into the weekend and even into Monday. However, we do remain into the high 80s. So things could get pretty humid out there, especially if that rain continues through this weekend. Christine?
All right, forecast looks pretty nice this week. All right,
beautiful.
Thanks, Katie. Don't go away. We're talking about a new performance.